Hey y'all, how's it going? I'm not sure how well this is going to work today because this is life inside of a rain cloud. It's not raining, it's just like 500% humidity. Uh, life living in a cloud, right, Fred? Okay, we'll give it a shot. We'll see how it goes. Let me see if I can get you adjusted here. My fancy camera holder is a little the set screw doesn't work right. And there's Baja. Hi Baja. You still didn't find your tennis ball? So we're making a mess at the very least. But I made some mac and cheese. It's the pre-cheesed kind, but I added a little bit of pizza cheese because if you're going to put cheese on your griddle or mac and cheese, it needs to be extra cheesy. I do know that much. Don't know much about history. Don't know much about the freak I took. I also added just a little bit of panko crumbs, or not panko, some breadcrumbs. Because why not? Anyway, we're making something involving mac and cheese on the griddle. I've seen others do this, and they make nice, neat, cool, cheesy things. I also know you have to do it quick. But I'm not just anybody. I've got leftover chili. It's pretty darn good. What do you say we add that to the mix? So we're going to have a griddled cheesy mac. This. Right, Baja? Right, Fred? I have lots of supervision today. Okay. We probably need a griddle. And it's already, getting that chunk. Maybe I should have added butter or something. Huh? I didn't remind me to add butter or something. Is it too late? Can we still add butter or something? Got it turned up a little high compared to usual. Just because. Actually, this is the ghee. Oh, look at it now. Oh, I dropped some. You gonna get it, Fred? Baja's gonna be too quick. So it's sticky. I should have put something down for ooey gooey, cheesy, chili, yummy. This might be pretty cool, y'all. It's lots of fun anyway if you like playing with messy substances. Keeping it stirred because I don't want it to burn, but I do want the mac and cheese to get that griddled texture, which you can see right here, maybe not. Well, how you missed excitement. We had macaroni on the ground, macaroni and cheese. You missed it. Fred had to clean up for me. Oh, this is looking good. It's probably pretty. Oh, Baja. No, you're not getting up there. Baja, look, mac and cheese. It's chili. Uh-oh, another piece. Okay, got it turned off. Should we sample it? Let's say we sample it. Fred's offering to sample, but it's, oh man. That's good stuff, y'all. Chili mac and cheese or something. Griddled chili mac. Let's call it that. Because you gotta call it something. Okay. You know what it's time for? If we can get you out of the holder. Scream close up! Ah! 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 Yeah, you can see some of the cheesy stuff where it's toasted and it's nice and yummy. So that's into today's class, y'all. Welcome back, or come back tomorrow, and maybe it won't be so wet and yucky, but even with the wet and yucky, it's still beautiful. Right, Baja? Get out my mac and cheese. Okay, thanks for watching, and that's a wrap.